Guys, good afternoon. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video, check natin ang 2025 Honda City 1.5 SCVT Taffeta White. Guys, ito yung base model ng ating Honda City. Ang kanyang price is 998,000 pesos. So, tour ko na kayo ngayon sa ating featured unit for today. For the front portion, guys, naka-halogen projector headlights tayo. Then, meron ng daytime running lights. Wala siyang fog lamps, guys. Malawak kasi ang scope ng halogen projector headlights natin, kaya no need na for fog lamps. Matte black front grille. Chrome accent sa ating upper portion. Matte black lower front bumper. Then yung front accent garnish natin, guys, meron na siyang sharp portions.